So yun na guys, meron na tayong winner. Anong name nila?
MJ pa.
MJ?
Papa.
MJ. So, meron tayong 6 na ampaw. So, ang jackpot dito guys is $100. Okay? Meron dito guys $100. Sa isa sa mga ampaw natin, merong $100. Pero, yung 5 is $5 lang. Okay? So, isang jackpot na $100 and then the rest of the 5 is only $5. Pero okay na rin kasi maglalaro naman tayong pero ampaw eh. May offer. So, ito guys, isa-shuffle natin. Wala tong daya. Hindi ko alam guys kung alin dito yung 5 o 100. Hindi ko alam. Wala akong nilagay na palatandaan. So, good luck. So, ito na guys. Okay na yan. So, pipili na si Kuya MJ. Kuya MJ, you pick. You choose one. You choose that one. Okay. Are you sure? You want to change it?
No.
Is that final? Alright. Okay. Para sa pagdala ng iPhone XR, automatic $5 agad yan. So may 5. Hindi, offer lang, no? No, you already have $5 for that iPhone XR. So additional offer 20. 25 o that ampaw? Or the red card? Are you sure? Ito yung gusto kong part eh, yung ano eh, guys, ito yung gusto kong part, yung nag-o-offeran eh. Pwede yung $5 or it can also be $100. So, it's up to you whether which one you want to choose. Do you want to choose the money now or the red card? It could be $5, but it could also be $100. What do you want? This $25 or the red card?
I don't know.
Okay, you can ask guidance.
Dagdagan pa ba ni Kuya?
Dagdag pa kuya.
Okay, I heard you loud and clear. Okay, guys, magaling, nagpadagdag. Eh, hindi naman tayo, mapagbigay tayo eh. So, last offer, $45. Not bad. $45, not bad.
45?
Yeah, 45, not bad. Nothing to lose.
Envelope or 45?
Yeah, nothing to lose. Because merong $5 eh. Merong yung 6 envelope natin kanina, 5 doon is $5, pero isa lang yung jackpot na $100. Ito 45, sure win, nothing to lose.
Check it.
The choice is yours.
Can you see it?
I'll see 45.
You want $45. Okay, is that final? Congratulations. What's your name again?
MJ pa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Here's your $45 and congratulations.
Thank you pa.
That's the moment.
Okay, so ito na guys. Pinili ni Kuya MJ is $45. So i-check natin. Check natin kung magkano yung pinagpalit niya. Okay. Hindi ko rin kasi alam guys, hindi ko alam. So let's check. Excuse me. Let's check magkano yung pinagpalit ni Kuya MJ sa $45.
Is this 100?
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's free money.
$5. $5. Not bad. Do you want to say something? Any shout out?
Free money.
Legit.
Legit. Okay.
Followed over ito.
Follow pa.
Thank you and congratulations. Thank you guys. Thank you.